What's up, guys? Alright, welcome back to Dylan Bunny's vlogs. So what we're going to do today is I've got my motorbike. I've got my motorbike's track down here. Wait, I'm going to go pick my motorbike. Yep, so we're just going to be riding on the track, and I'm going to get you through. I'm going to pause you for a sec and get you straight on the track. Welcome back. Okay, we're at the track now. We got my dirt bike and we're gonna go racing. Alright, let's go. Oh, wait. Alright, we're gonna go up here. Big whip. Whoa. Jeez, I just nearly fell on my track. I'm sorry. Alright, skip that part. Skip that. Pretend you didn't see that. Okay. Alright, ready? Right, I might change this around a bit later. I'm gonna be probably making more videos of MX vs ATV Reflex. I've just got 2 weeks ago on Monday, I think, and I'm gonna be making more tracks of these on my dirt. Roxy, get out of the way. Yeah, more tracks and stuff with the dirt bike and these tracks, but I won't be making it on this track. I'll be making it on other tracks, maybe on dirt and not instead of cardboard. Yeah, I was just talking to my dog, guys. I wasn't. Yeah. Alright, so I reckon we are going to keep doing it. If you want me to keep going, put a thumbs up and everything. Okay, I see those thumbs. I'm gonna be starting it now. Alright, ready? Let's go. Back flip. Oh, that was a wicked one. Best one I've done so far. Around the corner. Jumps up. Whip. Down. So, technically, I'll show you my track. And the whole thing. I probably showed you before, but I want to show you a little bit better. Alright, let's go. So, guys, that's my track. So what you do is you go up that ramp on the right there, on the left, on the right to you, and to the right. So you go up the ramp, up here, and then after you clear the jump, do the snaky sticky thing, then go around, up, and down the ramp, and you're done. Alright, guys. Thanks for watching. Smash that like button and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on notifications. Thank you for subscribing. I hope you subscribe. I'm trying to get maybe 2 million likes for this video. Thank you for watching.